Alright, Husqvarna Carlo here. Anyway, this is lawnmow. I'm here in my garage, late night, fixing things. I tell you what, this season came on like a lion, fast and quick. And still haven't gotten around to doing the oil change from last year. Haven't gotten around to changing the oil. Haven't gotten around to doing a lot of things. So I was fixing other stuff. Well, and then my sulky locked up on me. First day using it, and it was like the bearing shot in the wheel. I hit a fence, did something to it. I don't know. I don't have a whole lot of memory left on this damn phone, so just really quick, just want to show you what I got going on here. Looks pretty badass, doesn't it? Lift it up. Anyway, let me go around. Alright. So, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to lift this up. What's cool about the Husqvarna is it actually has different positions. A lot of brands don't have that, I've found out. So this is actually a cool feature. I'm going to lift it up to here because the seat's higher from the original seat. Actually sat down like right about here. So these actually hit me in the gut now. And it feels different, but I've gotten used to it. Just real quick here, I got blades. I got those at the beginning of the season. I never put them on. Those are, oh, it bends backwards. That's kind of neat. Anyway, so those are factory OEM Husqvarna blades. Probably made by Oregon, I'm pretty sure, but they're pretty damn thick for factory. Shit blades. Take a look at this. You're going to hear me say shit blades a lot. Shit yards. Crap yards. These are some of the shittiest blades I've ever used. This one's actually still got a wing on it. Wing is completely gone on that one. Completely gone on that one. Almost gone to actually catching grass. It's actually making little. Look at that. I mean, it is shot. See, here's the baffle design of Husqvarna's. Graverly, I think, actually has the same setup. This is actually designed to push the grass over. This gap creates a suction vacuum so that it pulls the grass up into the compartment. That's why it has this second baffle. And these are sitting down pretty low, which is nice. I like that. And these spindles are actually this wide. I know the X-Marks are like this big, but these are the same size as all the other stuff, but it has the support braces around the outside. So the spindle is actually not really that big, but this is overkill. But this is supposed to design, but I don't like it because it actually creates less volume for the grass to get out, because I've actually had the MZT, and the MZT actually had more volume getting the grass out. It had just a round part without this. This is overkill, but they put it in here because it's a commercial unit. So this, you ain't breaking this. So that's the only benefit to it, is you're not breaking it, but you do lose some airflow. But it doesn't affect the cut at all. I mean, look at this. I mean, I got crap building up, and it looks like it's freaking making ground. Like it's Mount Grasfuvio or something. This is actually nature in time lapse. Look at that. This is what the earth actually really does. Blowing wind and dust, and it makes mountaintops and hillsides. This is what actually happens in nature. So, God wanted to come in and just say, I don't like this part. You're fucked. So there you go. You can tell I hit something there. That's nice. Oh no, that's actually bent on purpose. This is probably where they bent the metal. But yeah, I'm going to change all these. Everything's holding up pretty damn good. Grease it all up. I'm not going to show all that, but, I'm not going to show it all. But the only thing I don't like is little shit like that gets stuck up in there. I hate that. I'll get tennis balls stuck up in here and everything too. Dog toys are always stuck up in here. A little bit of buildup. I mean, for this deck does not get clogged very fast. It takes a lot to clog this deck. This is one thing I like about this design. It does not get clogged. I mean, I haven't cleaned it since I've been using it, and this is all that there is in here. And I've gotten some really bad situations, so I gotta change these. There's almost no blade. That's just to show you the quality of how well this thing works. The blades are shit, and it's cutting good. Yesterday and today was the first day where I started noticing it not cutting that well. And that just might be because of the buildup. And the blades have no edge at all. Look at that. No edge on them whatsoever. I could probably do this for hours. It'll never cut me. I think the only thing cutting are the little wing tips. But yeah, so I'm gonna take them all out and put new blades in there. Man. So just a little recap of what I'm doing. I don't have a whole lot of memory left on these phones. I gotta get a memory battery bank. Blah, 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 blah. I gotta get something to put more memory on here. So don't get the Samsung S20. Get the S20 Plus or something. This thing sucks. Doesn't hold enough. With all the apps, you do a couple videos and boom, you got no memory. You can't record nothing or do anything or make videos, and you gotta erase half of what you have in there. Freaking salespeople at Verizon suck. Anyway, all right. Put the new blades on. I'm probably gonna try to balance them. So I don't even know if they're balanced or not, but